Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A1 Sportback. The car's got the daytime running lights along with the front and rear parking sensors and the lower front fog lights. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, the car has the 16-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels. 5 doors in this compact car, making it very convenient, with a single polished chrome exhaust at the rear. This is an Audi user-approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the electronic windows with the electronic folding exterior mirrors, cloth front sports seats with grey inserts with the automatic headlights and wipers, with a 3-spoke multifunctional leather steering wheel, 6-speed manual gearbox with air conditioning and Audi's MMI display. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.